Hello, happy new year, January 1st, 2023. I've got something fun and new to share with you guys. Welcome to the Carter Cottage. Let's go inside. All right, welcome to the Carter Cottage. This is going to be our new vacation rental. You can come stay here in San Diego, Point Loma. So I'm gonna give you a quick overview of the before. We are gonna start renovations probably this week on demo. But you walk in the front door and you have this big, beautiful picture window. Here we are putting in French doors that are gonna go out onto a deck. So all of this landscaping in the front is gonna change. We're gonna add a deck that kind of wraps around and connects to the front door area. And what's awesome about this place, like I mentioned, is you can see the ocean down there. There's ocean views all the way around. This is our demo master. You guys have every time. Every time. He gets, this is his
personality.
Yeah. All right, so you walk in, this is gonna be doors. We're gonna keep these windows, all of the windows and doors are gonna be replaced with this beautiful original white oak flooring here. We will be replacing this because this leads into the kitchen, okay? Now, we are gonna be moving the header up so it will be one flush ceiling from the living room here into the kitchen. So the header will be going up, we'll be taking rid of this wall, a little bit of this corner will be cut down, and same over here, this will all be cut down. So it will feel like one big open room from the living room to the kitchen. And I really think that adding the deck will just make it feel like one big open indoor-outdoor space, and people can enjoy the ocean views. Flooring is beautiful. This house was built in 1949. They have the beautiful white oak. These floors are well loved, but I like that we're gonna keep the character here. So these will just have a light sanding and refinishing, but in here, we are going to have all of these floors replaced to match these floors. It will be white oak with a clear matte coat finish. And we are gonna be ripping all of this up. We're gonna have to fix the subfloor in the kitchen, but the kitchen layout is gonna stay pretty much the same. So we're gonna have all new cabinetry over here, new appliances. We're gonna add some upper elements here, new windows. And then over here, we're going to add a taller standard size fridge, pantry. And then we have this huge wall that I'm like, what are we gonna put on this wall? Well, I will show you my inspiration photo, but we are going to build out an arched coffee beverage bar with the tile behind. I believe we'll do wood cabinetry below, just because we have all this space. To the left of the kitchen, we are going to add a bench with drawers that go all the way across for seating, and then we're gonna have a table. I'll have a chandelier, and this will be like a little mini dining area with a built-in. So, that is the kitchen before. Now, an odd thing about this house is they actually turned the old garage into a bedroom before we bought it years ago. I'm guessing like in the 70s or 80s. So this room, as you can see, is kind of dark. There's only really one window. So we are gonna add 3 smaller windows up here at the top. We'll have this moved outside. This is electrical panel. We are gonna bring the wood flooring that is gonna go from the living room into the kitchen into here, just so it has a nice seamless flow. And this will kind of be the master. So getting rid of the carpet, the ugly fans, we will redo the doors on the closet. And then this master leads into a bathroom. So we redid this not too long ago, maybe a couple years, and we are gonna actually rip it all out again and do a glass standing shower in here. The toilet will stay there, new toilet, new flooring. I'm thinking checkered floors in here. Hello. Then we will be doing a double vanity in here. This goes out to the backyard, so we will get a new door, configure that, and that will be the master suite. Continuing on to the back part of the house, and you go back here to the other 2 bedrooms and bathroom. So we've got some nice built-in storage here. This is one of the bedrooms. We're gonna do brand new windows, window treatments. This is a pretty good size room. They have a nice ocean view from that window. It has a great little closet in here. And this room, so this room I'm thinking of doing 2 full beds that kind of match. So you could sleep technically 4 people in here if you wanted to. This could kind of be a kid's room. I was thinking to keep a pack and play in here, some fun little toys for kids. I would love this house to be family friendly. So that's that bedroom. Okay, over here we've got more storage, little broom closet. The house does have AC and heat, which is nice. And then we have this bathroom. So this middle bathroom is interesting. We're gonna keep these old doors. I thought that they were so cute and had so much character. They're just gonna be repainted, but I love just the old hardware. I think it's really sweet. So this has some interesting tile work. We are gonna rip all of this out, gut this. There's some damage, I think, between the shower here and the toilet. So we are gonna gut this whole thing. We're gonna add some open shelving here. This tub, I think, is cast iron. We may keep it and refinish it, and then just add some new fixtures there. You have a nice view back here of the backyard and our orange tree that I'll take you to. But this is gonna go down to a single vanity. Also forgot to mention the back bedroom. I think we'll do a king or cal king, and then this is the last bedroom. Same thing in here. The only thing that is odd about this house is the only way to the backyard is through here, or the bathroom through the master. So it's a little different. Kicking around an idea of maybe a Murphy bed so that if you don't need to utilize the space, this is a nice thoroughfare, but I would love to put as many beds in here as we can. So this is a decent sized room. King or cal king. We're gonna do French doors here going out to the backyard. And then the backyard landscape is also gonna get fully redone. We're gonna get rid of that. Ink like a long, big outdoor dining table here. We wanna do pavers. I wanna do a gas outdoor fireplace and just make this a beautiful little oasis. So we need a lot of work to do. This is a little interesting. So the house came with this little storage area, which is nice since we don't have a garage. Contemplating moving the laundry down here and making this a little laundry room, and then building like a back closet back in this back half that locks, that we could keep personal items or some more sheets and stuff like that. So we're kicking that around, storing bikes and surfboards and all that. So here's the backyard from this angle. It is on a little bit of a slope. So this whole thing will be gone. That's the back door. This is the current washer dryer situation. So ideally we'd get rid of this. You have a side entrance here. side entrance down there. So there you have it. That is the before of the Carter Cottage before Travis gets in here and just does his thing. We have hired a team of people. I'm really excited. My vision for this place is California, cozy cottage, kind of coastal, definitely not beachy, even though we're a block from Sunset Cliffs. I'm really excited about this project and this new business for us. When we bought this house almost 4 years ago, I knew immediately I wanted it to be an Airbnb. I was like, this would be the perfect Airbnb. And so I just feel blessed and thankful that we got permitting to turn this into our very own short-term vacation rental. So Carter Cottage, the Carter Cottage is over on Instagram. Go follow it. I'm gonna be sharing a lot of the progress there, things that I'm buying for it, all the inspiration for the design. So be sure to go follow us over at the Carter Cottage and stay up to date on the process. All right, Happy New Year, you guys. I'll be back with more videos soon. Take care.